For larger numbers, we use a place value chart. The places are grouped into periods of 3 digits: ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, and so on. Commas separate these periods when we write large numbers. Within each period, the places are hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, in the number 37,519,248, 37 is in the millions period. The 519 is in the thousands period, and the 248 is in the ones period. The number is read as 37,519,248. When naming whole numbers and words, we start at the left and name each period. We say the number in that period followed by the period name, except for the ones period, which is not named. We also use commas in the written words where the commas appear in the number. One important convention is that we do not use the word "and" when naming whole numbers, unless you're like me and you're from the Midwest and you just kind of sneak it in there sometimes. For example, 8,165, 432, 098, 710 is read as 8,165,432,098,710. The reverse skill is writing a number in digits, also known as place value notation. To do that, we identify the period names. For example, in 53,401,742, the periods are millions, thousands, and ones. We write each period as a group of 3 digits, except the first group does not need to have 3 digits. So this becomes 53, 401, 742. Zeros are sometimes needed as placeholders. For example, 9,246,073,189 becomes 9,246,073,189. The thousands period is 073, not just 73, because every period after the first must have 3 places. Zeros may look like they aren't doing anything, but they are actually holding the whole number together. Very relatable.